私の名前はアキラです。これがリアちゃんです。So today we're going to be making Japanese ramen. Yay! The thing you will be needing is scissors, a cup of water, ハサミとお水とこれ。Let's get started! Yay! This is ramen powder. This is soup powder. This is a bag, and you have to poke holes in one of these. And this is the part where you make gyoza, like Ria. A fork. This is a fork. And then last of all, we have a pick. And this is... Last of all, we have the tray. Yes. Okay, now we have to cut these. This is soup. This is a thingamajigga. What? This is the thingamajigga. That's the bag. This is the bag. This is a candy of gyoza. Can you show them this part? Gyoza. But how we're going to do that is I'm cutting it out. I should have done before. So I'm going to open it.
Can you speak Japanese too?
Okay. Candy. Nice smell. Oh my god, I love that. Yeah, I love it.
How? It smells like what?
It smells like on the part that you make something and you can eat it.
Huh?
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells good too.
いい匂い？
いい匂いが大好き。
大好き。キラちゃん。
そう。ちょっと。That means a little bit. Take a little bit. ちょっと。どう？
キラちゃん、you.
Yeah, I think this is going to be cool. So let's now make it. Oh, yeah. Now let me try. You do it. Yeah.
Good.
And smush it. So I'm going to take some of.
I'm gonna put it in here. Next is ramen. これと次は
Wait, Akira, I think you should.
これの
Oh yeah, I had to take this
But
out.
before this, omizu or water's first. I'm gonna do it right here so I don't mess.
So I have to put this in here.
This is the soup for the ramen.
Ramen soup?
Ramen soup, but you have to put like on the line how much the line is. I'm going to do this.
I have to wait until you're done with that. So now you have to mix up.
No, everything?
Yeah, I think you should. Yeah, you have to do everything. Okay, give me it. You have to use all of it.
I'll stir while I use everything.
That's all. Okay, now it's my turn.
Before it.
Like that.
Go. Ria, now you show them the next step.
I think you should use all of it.
Wait, Ria, show Mom the inside first.
Come on. Okay, now mix it up. Spatula! Mix it up. Ah, smell good. I can smell. Okay, now. Oh, wait, okay. Now put it.
Side and poke a hole on one side.
Okay, do it. Show me.
It's wow, cool. Let me open this.
Use a fork.
Oh, use a fork. Yeah, thanks. Totally.
Is that all?
There's still more. And that's there's still more. And what the shell?
Now all we have to do is cover this top part, and then we're done.
Oh.
Nope, that's a failure.
Fail. Wait,
Let me see.
that was a fail.
Go.
Yeah. Now, can you do the... Should be little.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like.
Too watery.
Oh, it looks so
After
good.
that,
Well,
no,
too
no.
bad you're doing the egg.
Yeah, they have to.
Fetch Renzo. Go get Renzo.
How is it?
Good.
Oishisou.
美味しそう。美味しい。
Oishi.
Mom, taste the ramen.
Okay.
Go eat the egg. You eat the starting.
Then I'll eat it.
Move.
How is it? Tastes like ramen or?
Almost.
Mmm.
It's a good failure.
Guys, let me see.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye! Chicken nugget what? We only made two.
Chicken nugget what and a chicken nugget what?
Three, two, one.
Ohayo, watashi no
One
namae
more
wa-
time. Three.
Okay.
Ria, you too.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Wait, stop. Show them the inside.
Inside.
Show it. Why do you eat all of it?
I did not.
Yes, you did. Yours?
Here. Chicken nugget
have
what
to
and pizza nugget what?
You have to share. Well, I'm
Let
not sharing
me.
with you. One bite.
What is that?
Egg side face.
Right, want to eat some ramen?
Bye bye. Chicken nugget walking. Cookie, cookie, cookie.